can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum. It's seen a 6% rise over the last 1 month. We've seen Ethereum rally up to as high as $2,700. How high can Ethereum go in the coming days and coming weeks? There's greed right now in the cryptocurrency market. We'll take a look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Should we buy more ETH right now? Is this the best time to expect that epic pump for Ethereum? Look at Ethereum's market cap, Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin. We'll also check Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency markets. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with news stories going around the cryptocurrency market that's focusing on Ethereum. Ethereum price with $3,000. Ethereum bulls might need to wait, analysis suggests. Institutional flows and rising Ethereum transaction fees contrast with sluggish network activities and caution on the Ethereum futures market. Ethereum has been pumping. We saw a huge pump in the month of May. We saw Ethereum go from as low as $2,000. Ethereum rallied above $2,700. And I believe in the coming days and the coming weeks, I believe this article, we can easily see a $3,000 Ethereum. Spot Ethereum ETF 15-day inflow streaks accumulate $837 million inflow. The current streak of 3 consecutive trading weeks of inflows has accounted for approximately 25% of the total net inflows since the spot ETF was launched in July of 2024, which is a positive sign for Ethereum. We've seen Ethereum falter. We've seen Bitcoin have a new ETF. We've seen Bitcoin go to new all-time highs. Ethereum, on the other end, was stuck around the $4,000 level multiple times in this cycle. We saw Ethereum getting to $4,000 in March of 2024, got to $4,000 in May of 2024. We also saw Ethereum making a final attempt towards a new all-time highs in December. It could only get to as high as $4,100, and that led to around a 60% decline in the price of Ethereum in around 120 days. The altcoin market is very volatile. Ethereum is the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market. Usually, if Bitcoin is making 1 move, Ethereum is making 4 moves. That's why many market participants over-indexed on Ethereum. That's why many market participants ran to the altcoin market, expecting this to be a bull cycle where all coins will outperform. In the bottom of the bear market, Ethereum went from as low as $900 to as high as over $4,100, which meant Ethereum has rallied up a total of over 355%. On the other hand, we have seen Bitcoin get up to as high as 600% from the bottom. I believe Ethereum still has 1 more move in this bull market cycle. I'm of the belief that it's not yet over for Ethereum. Maybe, just maybe, we can easily go back to $4,000. And worst case scenario, if it's over for Ethereum, we can still easily rally up to as high as $3,300. I'll be looking out for that 702 retracement for Ethereum from the top that came in for Ethereum in December of 2024. If we have a 702 retracement, guys, I'll be expecting Ethereum to at least get to as high as the $3,366 level. The altcoin market can be very volatile. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, you see that right now there's greed. Yesterday there was greed, last week there was greed, and last month there was greed, with Bitcoin trading above $105,000. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, is chilling around the $2,700 level. The last 3 months has seen sentiment swing in extreme directions. We have seen extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Over the last 3 months, we have also seen some extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Take a look at some details about Ethereum, currently trading around $2,490. Ethereum has a fully diluted market cap of over $300 billion. The all-time high for Ethereum happened on the 16th of November 2021, traded for as high as $4,891. You want to get some ETH for yourself, guys? You can get some ETH on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Uniswap, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Ethereum right there. Ethereum is a decentralized open source blockchain system that features its own cryptocurrency. Ethereum works as a platform for various other cryptocurrencies, as well as for the execution of decentralized smart contracts. If you look at Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market, guys, Ethereum dominance sits around the 9.27%. We saw Ethereum dominance dumping to the lowest we have seen in trade in the last 6 years. The last time Ethereum dominance was this low over the last 3 months was in September of 2019. That proved to be a very good buying opportunity because we saw Ethereum dominance go from 7% in 2019. When the bull market ended in 2021, Ethereum dominance got to as high as 22% of the cryptocurrency market. And Ethereum dominance has been dumping since December of 2021. So I'm of the strong belief that at the end of this cycle, we are going to see a huge pump in the price of Ethereum, which will lead to Ethereum dominance going parabolic. My best case scenario for Ethereum dominance at the end of this cycle will be Ethereum dominance getting to as high as 14.5%, which would be around the 56% move for Ethereum dominance from where we're currently trading. Now, if you look at Ethereum's valuation against the king of the market, Bitcoin, similarly mirrors Ethereum dominance in the cryptocurrency market. We have seen Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin since December of 2021 dump aggressively to goblin town. We have seen Ethereum lose more than 79% of its value against Bitcoin. But the last 2 weeks, the last 2 months saw Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. We saw Ethereum valuation against Bitcoin going from 0.0175 to as high as 0.026. That was a 48% move. And I believe Ethereum is not over. I believe Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin, guys. The final phases of the market cycle. Market participants get very excited when sentiment gets very good. What do we see? We see market participants going all in the altcoin market, and I believe Ethereum is being the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market is going to benefit from those irrationalities from market participants. So we can easily see Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin get to as high as 0.04 ratio level. I will not be shocked. Ethereum's market cap in the cryptocurrency market sits at $300 billion. We could easily make an attempt for that $400 billion level, maybe even get above $500 billion. But my best case scenario for Ethereum over the next few weeks and the next few months will be Ethereum's market cap hitting the $589 billion level. If we do that, guys, that will say Ethereum trading at all-time highs. That will send market participants going gaga. That will send us going to the moon. That will send sentiment in the market going crazy. If you take a look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, the weekend has shown that bulls and the bears can still get liquidated. Your number one job, guys, in the cryptocurrency market is to wait for those good times in the cryptocurrency market where odds are in your favor. Your number one job here is to buy low, sell high. Over the next 7 days, over the next few weeks, you hear talks of alt season. You hear talks of how we're going to the moon. You hear talks of why this time is not different. Remember, guys, this time is not different. This time is not different. The bubble always bursts. People will say this time is different, but this time is not different. Nothing that's happening now that's not happened again. Nothing that's happening now that can't be found in the past. And I believe historically we'll end the cycle with an all-season pump. This time is not different. Guys, report out to the comment section. Are you buying more Ethereum right now? Do you believe in alt season? How high do you think Ethereum can go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.